What's up, guys? I'm Vincent.
And I'm Vanessa.
Grandma brought us some homemade farmer's cheese, and we're making
Sirniki.
They're kind of like cottage cheese pancakes. We need about 15 ounces of farmer's cheese. 15 ounces is about 2 cups, but we want to use a scale.
Next, add 4 eggs without the shells.
Here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Here's 4.
Next, add 3/4 cup of flour.
We need 3 tablespoons of white sugar, but Mom forgot to buy some, so we're using 6 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Did you know that brown sugar isn't as sweet as white sugar? So that's why we need to use more.
And 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Time for some science.
Baking soda and vinegar create a chemical reaction. Bubbles!
Half a tablespoon of vanilla.
Time to stir.
Vincent, let me do it the old-fashioned way. Vincent, want to try mixing? Come on, get your hands dirty.
A little bit of flour for coating.
Bring on the heat. This part was a challenge for me. The dough is kind of sticky and hard to work with, but I did it.
Scoop, coat, and roll. These look awesome, and guess what? They got bigger and bigger as they fried.
I'm so excited to eat these.
Me too. I'm doing powdered sugar.
I like eating it with jam.
Cheers! Crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside, right?
Yeah. How does it taste?
It tastes so good.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video.
We had so much fun making these.
We'll see you next week.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye-bye.